Okay, hello everybody. I gave you a butterfly life cycle homework. So on this butterfly we will not do anything. On the second page there are a life cycle words like caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly, eggs. So we will cut these dotted lines around the lines like this. We will cut out all the words with scissor. Of course you need a scissor and glue for your project. Before you start your project you can bring your scissor and you can bring your glue next to you. Okay, the first part is ready, and let's make the second part. This one is also ready. Okay, and the second part is ready. Let's make a third part. Okay, third part is ready, and the fourth. Okay, so all of them are ready now. So on the butterfly we need a butterfly for our life cycle firstly. So this is a butterfly, so we will stick here because as you can see there is a butterfly picture. So we need a butterfly firstly for the butterfly life cycle. I just put a glue here, the small part, and I stick my paper. Okay, after butterfly lay eggs, so they are reproduction from eggs. So I will put a glue just here, a small part, and the stick. After eggs, butterfly lay eggs, and the eggs became caterpillar. So it's gonna be like this. Yes, the caterpillar. And then I put a small glue here and stick my paper. And after caterpillar it became chrysalis or pupa. It has a two word. We use the chrysalis word, and I put a glue here. Okay, so I can see all the words about the butterfly life cycle. So butterfly, egg, caterpillar, and a chrysalis. See you.